Hi, how are you?
So today I'm sitting with this because I thought you needed to know that my shirt and my socks match. So that is why we are down here. Also, we are down here to do the intro of this video. Today we take inspiration from the Queen Bee, that is Beyoncé. So on Instagram she recently posted this picture and I looked at it and I liked it and I said to myself, I could probably make that. That's what we're gonna do. Supplies. So hers is green. I'm not going to do that. So we're just going to use what I have in my wardrobe. So one, this jacket. When I bought this, I loved it. I loved it so much. I wore it all the time. That is no longer the case. Two, a pair of pants. I also used to wear these a lot, but they are skinny jeans, and I don't wear skinny jeans as often as I used to. So we're going to be using these pants. Let's get started.
So after that quick snip, we now have a droopy crotch. But since that is not our goal, we're gonna fix that. First things first, I'm the realist. Sorry about that. So the first thing we did to fix our drooping crotch situation was to cut open the front.
As you saw, I cut open, overlapped, and sewed down the back so that it lays flat, the same way that you would turn a pair of pants into a skirt. Something that I probably should have made sure of before starting this was that the end of the jacket and the top of the pants are the same length, so that when they join, everything is aligned. But I didn't do that, and now we're just crossing our fingers and hoping for the best. It seems like it will work. Before we do that, to finish off this bottom section, so you can see I kind of sort of botched mine. So basically what I'm going to do now is I'm going to fold in the end. So here comes the part we've all been waiting for. So I have sewed round the edge. I wanted to do double, but it was too thick in some parts and wouldn't sew.
Okay.
I'm going to use some pins to secure her.
Yeah.
So it looks like they're the same length. Did I lie to myself? Looks like it. So we've pinned it round, and now we're gonna sew. So I've tried it on and we have a few adjustments to make. One, I don't like this. Thought it would look nice. I don't like it. We're just gonna make it straight. Two, at the back, I have this little tail thing. Don't like it either. We're gonna make that straight.
So this is the jacket. So until this point, everything that you've seen previously was completed in one day. Now this following section was completed over the course of 3 days, because it was at this point that I made the decision to do the contrast stitching by hand. So I could have done this with a sewing machine, but I wanted a long stitch, a long thick stitch, and in order to get that with the materials I have available with me, I had to do that by hand with a needle and thread. And I used a back stitch, I believe is what it's called. I followed the stitches that were already on the pant, as well as referencing the picture of the jacket she was wearing.
Been a couple of hours, days, I've lost track. On the bottom half, all I have left to do is this part and then this part. Then I'll try it on and see if I'm willing to do the top. I'm not willing, but I might have to do the top. I have a tiny metal can on my finger. Makes this a whole lot less painful. So I finally finished sewing. I can confirm that the tips of my fingers hurt badly. That being said, it's over and done with, and we're almost done. So her jacket is more of a blazer style.
So what I'm going to do is fold this in and then tack it. Can you see that?
Goodness.
And to sew it here and somewhere down there. We're just gonna use the pin. Hopefully I don't poke myself because that wouldn't be desirable. I'm going to sew it here, here, and here, as well as sew here, here, and here. And then I'm going to iron it, and hopefully that should hold this shape.
About 1 in the morning, I'm finally finished. I'll try this on tomorrow and take pictures. So, see you then.
So I'm going to style it a little bit different from Beyoncé. I'm not a big fan of skinny jeans at the moment, so I'm not going to wear those. Instead, I will be wearing these. The jeans I made in my bleach dyeing video. I have a white turtleneck and a bag, which you'll see. And a matching bag. That was an interesting couple of days. Mostly painful.
Until next time.
Bye, have a great time.